Now let's just do a quick run, Brian. Go back to the code, and let's take a look at the using namespace real fast.
All right.
And let's
just get rid
comment
of
or
it.
remove that or whatever you want.
Okay, we'll comment it. Just so you
Yeah.
can see the comments.
Yeah. Now go back.
Oh, it's green.
Hold on one second.
Okay, yeah, uh-huh.
It's gonna get us a little bit of viewing space here.
Ooh,
Yeah.
oh, now I can see it. All right, cool. Hey, this is C++, weird.
So now, Brian, if we don't include the std : what does that? Well, by adding this, what are we doing?
So we're saying, you remember the RSO, the scope operator, the :
Yeah.
So that goes namespace, scope, function, basically.
Right. And that scope operator is also generic because it works in the context of classes too, which we'll discuss later.
Right, and these are, if you remember back to the intro to object-oriented, this is, you know, when we say this, there's the solar system, within the solar system, there's Earth, within Earth, there's people.
Mm-hmm.
This is the STD, or standard namespace bucket, so to speak, and within that bucket is the function cout. So if we don't have this...
The instance cout.
Yeah, sorry, the instance cout. Without this, without declaring that, and without having this here, the compiler doesn't really know which cout are you talking about.
Right.
Where is it? I can't
Right.
find it sitting out in the root
Because
there.
the cout instance is encapsulated inside the std namespace.
In a really freaky, weird sort of way, and don't think about this too much, you can almost look at it where STD is kind of like a folder.
Right,
But it's not. Nobody kill me. I know.
Yeah.
It's not. It's nothing like that at all.
Well, but you know that
The idea.
similar to a file structure, namespaces are used to categorize different entities that a program can use. So it's not much different than a file structure that we use all the time.
So what do you think? Do you think it's still going to work?
No.
You think we broke it?
I actually know for a fact it's not going to work. And I want you to compile it and let's see why.
Sweet.
Why Kevin's right.
Not saying you're wrong.
I am right, 100% right. I know it's not going to work. Because you forgot to do it for the end line. Oh!
See, and that's what happens. So you see where it says end line was not declared in the scope.
What the hell?
That's madness.
We have to scope in.
Yeah. All right. So naturally, we're gonna add std :
Right. Because we have
just
to
like the other
scope into the st namespace to then get the entity end line and cout.
And that's where end line sits.
Mm-hmm.
So after a while, you'll just kind of memorize where these are, or you won't, and you'll just get used to doing that.
Right.
Whatever. Now, if we were to comment this back in, this is still perfectly valid.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So that's fine if you do that.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, we'll leave it out just for the fun of it.
Yep.
And what do you know? It compiled.
We have a program.
And we'll run it. Hey, buddy!
Beautiful.
Sweet.
Beautiful, Brian. Good job.
Done. Awesome. That's all you need to know.